Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Journal with Tanishq. Make sure to watch my video till the end. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also ring the notification bell to receive a notification as to when I post my new videos. Also, if you love what I made in this video, then make sure to smash the like button and also comment if you would like to see me do the one marker challenge in one of my next videos. Make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video as I have a little surprise for you guys. Well, it's actually not a surprise because you've seen what I've written in the title of this video. I showcase my drawings to all of you guys. I made these drawings from the end of 2019, that's the December time, till 2020, which I made right now. I will also show, or I will do a flip through of my journal, what I made, like all those drawings which I posted and many other stuff I'll show you guys. So make sure to watch my video till the end and no cheating guys. Today I'm back with another video for you guys, which is about drawing some fun stuff. It's not like a realistic eyeball or drawing a complicated city like the Times Square. It's just a fun coloring therapy which anyone can do. It's even for kids and for adults at the same time. And it can also help you spend your time in this quarantine and can also help you guys improve your drawing skills, as this is like the basics of the drawing. So in this one I made a skyline of a city. The top one you see is the real city, which is black in color, and the down is the reflection of the city in a river, which looks grey as the reflections are casually light in color. And I actually ran out of my grey marker, or the sketch pen you say, and then I had to overlay with my grey oil pastel on top of the grey sketch pen. I really like the look even of the grey oil pastel. Indeed, the grey oil pastel look made it look more even. Then we have the next one coming up, that was like a text decoration type of fun thing you can make. It's like you add any text you want and then you can decorate it with different kinds of doodles around it. So I technically used my channel logo in order to decorate it, and it also gave me some ideas for how my channel will look later on. It did give me some ideas. Well, I tried making the circle look circular in shape, though I faced many problems while doing that. It was just the marker's nib that was a little different. So I managed to make the circle look a little bit correct. Then I used this Faber-Castell connector pens in order to make those doodles. I did not color it completely from the inside. I just made a few outlines of it. The colors are actually not visible in this because the light was too strong. So I tried decreasing the light and this was still not visible because these are anyways light colors, but the purple came a little dark, so I zoomed in to show you guys how it looked from near. This is the neon color, also like the lemon yellow color you say. And then it was the end of this drawing right here. Then I experimented with black paper in my journal. I just stuck this black paper and I've sketched this already with a pencil. So I made this using a whitener, and then I outlined everything. I did not color anything from the inside using metallic pens. I just made this little bear you say with some whitener and just an outline, and that looked perfect. I really liked the way how my experiment of the black paper went. The final look was also really satisfying, which you guys will see later on. I also used a black pen in order to correct the mistakes, and I wish we could also do that with the white paper so easily. So I drew these little leaves on top and then added a little calligraphy quote. It's not even a quote, it's just a saying, like saying fresh after saying the bear and the leaves and the forest type of theme going on. And then I added these little polka dots right here, and then the final look was really good. That's how it looked. And here's the final flip through. I promised you guys I will do after my video. The drawings are gonna come very soon, and here's the flip through of what we made today. So I really like this one the most out of all of them because Experiment turned out to be one of my favorites all of a sudden. Then I hope you guys have watched this video of me drawing a realistic eyeball. I've made a video on this. It was like I made it with the charcoal pencil. Then I have this quarantine spreads video also. I will leave the link in the description box below so that you guys can have a look at them. Here was my quarantine doodle, the music I discovered. Then I really got into doodling for some days, so here's my YouTube doodle. Then I also made this other page. This was actually the better version of the other page. I'll show you guys this one. So this one transformed into this one. I worked on this one more. That one, the second one behind this page was what I made in my YouTube video. Then this is my Facebook doodle. If you guys want me to show you how to make the YouTube and the Facebook doodle, then make sure to comment if you would like to watch this video. Then this is my other journal which I recently brought. I was having a few exposure problems and the focus problems, but I later on figured it out. So here's the first page. Those were a few washi tapes, which does not look like washi tapes anymore. I had to leave a few pages between, and if you guys remember, I know this does not look familiar to what I made in the video because I've colored it all up, and this is how it looked. If you guys want to make the colorful one also, you can have a look at this and color your doodles. I really liked the social media one. That was one of my most favorites. The color came out really good, and I think everything was good enough. If you guys remember, Happy Mother's Day, my second last video, the last video indeed which I posted, the Mother's Day greeting cards. So here's the first one. If you guys want to have a close-up look, then here's it. That day I wasn't able to show you a close-up look, but today you can have the look, how it looked closely. I really like this black color print which I made, and that one too. I think everything was really good. Then I also added these gray lines. I think everything came out so good. So exposure problems again, focus problems. And then landing on to the drawings. Here is the first one. This one is a beach drawing. And I don't know how did these scars come in my drawings. Okay, you know what? The next one I think was like also one of my favorites. It was really good. I tried experimenting with some perspective drawings which I was not familiar to, and it turned out to be really good. I really recommend you guys making these perspective drawings. They are time taking, but the results are always very satisfying. So here's a close-up look as to how the buildings details were added and everything to make it look really good and realistic. Then here's a drawing of the olden days city. I really like the whole thing, but I don't understand how should I correct those windows right there. I really didn't understand why I did so, but I really like this building right here. And I don't know how this car came in again. I really need to work on my painting storage skills. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys like my artwork, make sure to smash the like button and also click the subscribe button that's mentioned below my video.